Hey guys, I hope you all are doing great. We're finally getting some sun here in Oregon, which is nice considering the second winter we've been having over the last few weeks. But anyways, here's the June market report for Wilsonville. Now, if you guys don't live here, you should. But if you don't and you want to know more about your particular neighborhood, give me a call and we can go over your area. The home prices went back up again this month. The median sold price for Wilsonville in April was $715,000. This is a 2% increase from last month, so nothing crazy. But like I was saying last month, though the market in Wilsonville generally is still good, various areas and neighborhoods are seeing a slowing of showings and offers. The interest rates and inflation are definitely having an effect on buyers' purchasing power. Now, you still see neighborhoods and parts of cities that are still hot, but we're definitely seeing a slowing generally of showings and offers overall. I think buyers are starting to pump the brakes on making extraordinary offers within 4 seconds of seeing a home, which overall is healthy. But sellers are going to have to be patient and wait for the right buyer to get to them, so it's a learning experience considering these last 2 crazy years. Now, I'll keep you in the loop as we see what rates do over the next few weeks. But the inventory for Wilsonville in May increased since the previous month to 30 active listings. This isn't uncommon to have more listings going into the summer, but the rate increases have also contributed to more listings and houses sitting on the market longer. Continuing into the summer, we should see a continued increase in the inventory, and though the demand is still there, these rates may affect how fast your home goes and for what price it goes for. So going into a sale without a strategic plan and marketing strategy can cost you thousands. So it's good to chat with someone about how to get the highest return on your investment before you decide to go about listing it. The median days on market for Wilsonville was 5. This was only 1 day more than the previous month. Home sales are still good here for now, and 5 days is extremely low in general for days on market. It'll be interesting to see over the coming months, though, how this changes. So, these are the stats for Wilsonville for this month. If you guys are looking to buy or sell in the next 12 months, give me a call and we can talk about the market and about getting you the highest return on your home or the best deal for a home when that time comes. I hope you guys are doing great and you enjoy this nice weather, and we'll talk soon.